Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Check it out, guys. Look at this beautiful one-level ranch we're looking at today. So today I'm at Future Homes in Hubert, North Carolina. Shout out to Trey and all the people at Future Homes for getting me out here to take a look at their models. I'm going to be taking you through what they call the Carolina Ranch today. It's what we call the Laramie plan. So you've seen a few Laramies over the years with me. A few things to note about this exterior: you are seeing some optional farmhouse style shutters. You are seeing the brick wrap foundation instead of the texture block. The Laramie plan is always going to consist of a site-built front porch, and what you're looking at here is a double gable front porch with stonework around the columns. You've got the double gable up top, so you got that little eyebrow there giving it some detail along with the decorative window, and then you've got the beautiful cedar shake there kind of complementing those shutters as far as the colors go. That porch is 8 foot deep, 30 foot across, so it is a big porch. But again, this is the Carolina Ranch, and this is at Future Homes in Hubert. And just remember, the Carolina Ranch is basically the Laramie if you're on our site, so don't get them confused. But beautiful, beautiful home here. I can't wait to get inside and show you a few things. But I just love this porch. It's so inviting, so much space. So the Laramie / Carolina Ranch just has a beautiful open concept floor plan. The dining, the living room, and the kitchen just makes a really great space to entertain and host. Check out that optional decorative wall there. Got the shiplap. Kind of give you that break visually. I just love this kitchen. I think it's because of that gigantic island there. I mean, look at that thing. So you got your dining space there to the right. You are seeing an optional sliding glass door off of that dining. You would just have a single window there, standard. Plenty of space for couches and coffee tables and all that. You even got a little foyer space back here, which is nice. But yeah, let's dive into this kitchen. So you are seeing the laminate Formica tops today in this particular model. There's that big single farmhouse sink that you've seen in so many of my videos. Remember that the white cabinet color is one of our included options. And similar to our Stanley model, you are seeing the optional under cabinet transoms today, which is really cool. Get you that natural light. Check out that 12-inch subway tile backsplash. So when you get a backsplash through us, you do have options at 6 and 12 inches as far as the tile length. Big pantry cabinet here. Tons and tons of storage. Okay. All right, so to my right, which would be off to the left from the front door, you've got a linen cabinet or storage closet. You've got this humongous utility room that is coming off the back of the house. Utility room sink not in a base cabinet. So if you're not interested in putting it in a base cabinet and saving some money, there you go. Here is that cubby bench. And this little note here is showing you that all the cubby benches now have storage on top as well now. Okay, so remember that moving forward, you will have additional storage on top of what you're already getting there. I'd probably use this as a pantry closet or some type of storage closet for sure. Coming right off of that utility room, just gonna be handy to have, you know, your whatnots in there. Great big master suite here. Gigantic walk-in closet, full wraparound shelves. Got that shoe organizing system there for you. Let's check out this master bath. So, of course, the double vanity sink. They stuck with the laminate Formica throughout today. Looks like the 4x8 shower. Yes, it is. So you've seen a ton of these in my videos. I would say the main reason this shower sells the most is because this is the only shower we offer with the full length bench built in. So remember, if you want that full length bench in the shower, we're gonna go to the 4x8. Got a nice little linen closet behind that master bath door. Traditional casing around your doors and windows. Those are our included 2-panel doors, included hardware. You're not seeing the black package today, things like that. So let's cross this main space. I am going to take a pit stop and show you the plan. Carolina Ranch. It is 60 feet across. Call it 27 feet deep. They're showing this model today at 1,568 square feet. The Carolina Ranch. And don't mean to repeat myself, but just remember, on my website, this is going to be called the Laramie. Bed 2. What's nice about the Laramie is all 3 bedrooms have walk-in closets, which is always a plus. I know I've been mentioning that we now offer upgraded shelving from Nationwide. I actually have a video coming very soon showing that, so that'll be exciting. Here's that bath 2. Very typical tub shower combo. Exhaust fan, all that good stuff. Bed 3. Again, luxury vinyl plank flooring is included in the main spaces and wet areas. And then if you'd like flooring in the bedrooms or throughout the home, you're essentially just paying for the bedrooms. Everywhere else is included. There's your attic pull down. If that's an option, what comes standard? So standard would just be a scuttle hole. You pop the piece of sheetrock out, you have to climb up a ladder, get up in there. You can always add the fold out ladder for, call it $650, give or take. Good stuff. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Again, this was a great example of the Laramie plan. You've got a few of those on my YouTube page to compare and contrast to. Thank you guys for everything, all the views, all that good stuff. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. If you've made it this far in this video, why not? All of my information is down there in the description. All of our social medias are down there as well. So be sure to check those out. New videos every Monday and Thursday at 4:30 Eastern Time. Thank you guys. Take care.